Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper ball string light. For that you need string lights. Here I'm going to use colorful string lights. Okay, and then you need any paper. I'm going to use old book paper because I want a very vintage look, so that is why I'm using old book, and plus this is not my favorite book. Kidding. And you can also use any handmade paper or handmade sheet. Just make sure the color of the paper is not so very dark because it will not illuminate light properly. To make a paper ball we need a perfect square. So if you already have a perfect square then it's good, but if you have a rectangle sheet like this, so we're going to make a perfect square out of this sheet. So to make a perfect square we're going to fold this paper like this, and I'm going to cut the remaining part. So I'm going to tear this remaining part like this. Here I have a perfect square. I already have one diagonal crease. I want another diagonal crease, so I'm going to turn or fold this paper in opposite direction. Press the paper and you'll get another crease. Now I want an horizontal straight crease, so I'm going to fold the square into half. So here I have a straight crease. I want another straight crease here, so I'm going to turn the paper and fold this paper into half. You'll get another crease here. Now you can see a triangle here and you can see a triangle here. So what we're going to do is we are going to fold the straight crease inside. We are going to push this crease inside and join two sides of the triangles. Again we are going to do at the same side, opposite side. We're going to push the crease in and we're going to join both the sides. You get two triangles with 1, 2, 3, 4 flaps. Now we're going to fold the first flap upward. Make sure that this side is divided into two parts and first half meets the other half like this. We're going to do the same with the other side, forming a rhombus. We're going to do the same on the opposite side. We're going to fold this flap, making a small triangle, and again folding the flap, making a triangle, making two rhombus on both the sides. Now the next step will be, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 flaps again. So your next step will be to fold this flap inside in inward direction. Make sure that this vertex touches the side of the triangle like this. Again you're going to fold the same in the same manner, such a way that your vertex touches the bottom side of the triangle. We're going to do the same on the opposite side like this, and on the last flap like this. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 flaps under this triangle. So what we are going to do is we are going to fold this flap like this, and again we are going to fold it like this, making an arrow. Now next step will be, you're going to push this arrow inside this triangle like this, so that it is hidden. We're going to do this same step with all the flaps. We're going to fold this flap like this, going to fold it again, making an arrow, and I'm going to push this arrow inside the triangle so that it is hidden. Repeat the steps. Here, your basic structure is ready. Now you can see a hole at the top of the structure. Now you have to blow air with your mouth and your ball is ready. I have made some balls, paper balls, you can see all these. Now what we are going to do is we are going to insert the string light into the hole of this paper ball like this. You're going to insert all the balls into the string light. When you have inserted your balls inside the string lights, just switch on the button. Here you can see the effect. Thank you for watching our video. If you really like this tutorial, please like it and share it. You can also subscribe our channel for other videos. Thank you so much.